Now let me begin with what I would want you to do for us. 1, discipline. Do you have discipline? All these aspirations you are looking for would require you to be disciplined in order for us to assist you achieve your aspirations. Discipline. Secondly, we would want you to abstain from drugs. I always hear children being accused, young people, of taking drugs. So that's another requirement I would want you to know, that we would want our children across the countries to avoid drugs. Drugs will spoil, you will not achieve your aspirations. So your aspirations to develop our countries to have a better future, to be wealthy, to make money, attend to science, technology, and innovation. Today, your aspirations, in my view, to have, because the future is nothing but digital. So, for us to leapfrog and catch up with the first world, you must aspire. All of you must aspire either to excel in sciences, in technology, in innovation. You should ask, we, the president, to facilitate these provisions in your schools.